Hey, this is Anthony with RevZilla. Come watch, decide, and ride. Welcome to our detailed breakdown of the new Alpinestars SP-1 V2 gloves, available at RevZilla.com. This is the new SP-1 V2. V2 is version 2. Oh, I've got poor old sad version 1 right here on the table so I can help you understand what they changed. Now, right out of the gates, they did not change the cost. This comes in just over the $150 mark. But I will tell you, the functionality changed ever so slightly. This glove, which comes in about 4 different colors, is the top of the food chain in the SP family. That means it is the most aggressive and most technical road riding gauntlet. But I will tell you this, and this is one of my favorite things about the new version. The new version of this glove ditches all synthetic materials, and it is all either goat suede or goat leather, and they've changed the knuckle. I think you can steal maybe 1 or 2 track days out of this glove. So if you're rocking this glove every day on the street and you say, I want to try a track day, you can get there. But if you start doing track days all the time, move into the GP series of gloves, go up from there, get a bigger, beefier glove that's going to protect you if you're putting the wear and tear on it and you're going to put yourself in harm's way on the track on a regular basis. This glove, the original SP-1 V1, that's not what they call it, it was just the original version, had Chlorino on it, it had some synthetics. I did not like it as much for the track. I would say do not wear it at the track day. I would not risk my hands. So again, that's our recommendation, saying, all right, Alpinestars, you have taken this to the next level. Beefed up a new style knuckle, it's ventilated, it's dual compound. We still have the DFS system. And there are a couple new things here. You're gonna see it mid-digitally. They call this AR Shield, which is an aromatic reinforced material that has these little plates. Now, it steals from kind of the same idea as super fabric. They were laser welded ceramic plates. These are small little platelets of aramidic reinforced fiber. So again, that Kevlar infused slide quality, you have it here on the tips of the fingers and you have it as a little pop on the outseam, which we really dig. Other big changes, if you're looking at it, we talked about the new style knuckle. It's more flexible, it breathes better, and it's dual compound versus your just plain Jane carbon. I know, plain Jane carbon. This is a little more steak than sizzle. This one's got a little bit more sizzle going on, but I like the direction they're headed. Now, one of the things they did do here is they cut down on the size of this vent on the back. You lose a little bit of ventilation. But remember, this glove is going to be best really spring, summer, fall, and really a little bit better if you're really sweaty hands guy in late summer, maybe early summer, kind of that spring and fall realm. But it is a leather gauntlet. You typically know the range there. Now, the thing they did, which is a trade-off, is I like the new school knuckle. They gave you that accordion, so you still have a lot of mobility back here, but this had a floating panel, and you're always the most mobile with a floating panel. So they cut down on some of the floating panel mobility, but then if we look at it from an apples to apples standpoint, they've streamlined this cuff, and it's no longer a double cuff. There's no longer a floppy dangler there. It's a little bit more simple depending on how you rock, or how you ride rather, and where your sleeve's gonna go. So again, a little bit less cumbersome, and we're going to be a fan of that. So ultimately, no changes in sizing here. Remember, I'm going to be wearing a size extra large. I wear an XL in most Alpinestars and Eurocut gloves like a Dainese in a Revit or other American brands. Revit's from Europe, but again, they fit more American. I'm about a size large. So Icon, first year gloves, I typically wear a size large. Keep that in mind. But all in, if we get a peek at it, also notice one more change here, lighter weight 3rd and 4th finger bridge that guards against that low side pinky destruction. Again, this was a little bit bigger and bulkier. So trade-offs in mobility, upgrades in protection, and when we flip it over, notice this was a synthetic rubberized material. This is now digital goat suede. You have reinforcement here in the crook of the hand that also allows for flex. They didn't have that previously. And again, the whole glove just got an iteration forward. Index finger, touch tech, multi-touch device, iPhone, Android, not just your Garmin. We talked about the crook of the hand from a grip side of things and an additional stretch. Nothing's more annoying than not being able to get to the turn signal when the rest of the glove fits you. Then looking into the side of the hand here. Great outseam protection. It's suede. Next version, Alpinestars, give me leather, and I will give this a track rating. But again, I understand why you made it more lightweight for the everyday rider. DFS, shock absorbing slide, palm, heel of the hand, low side or hands down. I dig it. They got rid of the flap covering the wrist protector, but the wrist protector is still there. And then it's perforated leather all the way down. All in 4 colors on this glove without killing your wallet. This is a rock solid sport commuter glove, rock solid sport touring glove. It's classic Alpinestars in black, white, and red. They have a black, they have more muted colors as well. And even on the tips of the fingers, you're seeing that extra elastication and again, your mid-digital protection. So I believe that all in SP-1 V2 is a nice iteration for the same amount of money compared to SP-1 V1, the last version of it. And I really don't have a ton to complain about except for one thing. Here's my complaint, Alpinestars. If you want me to ride this every day, touring, on off the bike, normal circumstances, away from the track and at night, where is my damn Papa reflective? That's what I want. Some of you out there don't care. If I'm gonna rock it at night, give me one Papa reflection and we're done here, and this is a slam dunk home run. Outside of that, man, I'll give it a 9.5 out of 10. Pretty rock solid glove. The next step in your journey is click the info button, desktop, mobile device, visit the product detail page at RevZilla.com, read other rider reviews. You should not just take my word for it. As always, we'll ship free over 39 bucks. If you want to talk to a gear geek, see us at RevZilla.com or 877-792-9455. Thanks for watching our detailed breakdown. Remember, subscribe to us at RevZilla on our YouTube channel. No, I don't do the Micro Machines commercials, but I will offer my opinion, the latest and greatest in the motorcycle universe for you. I'm Anthony. We'll see you next time.